Oh, it's ticklish. It's ticklish, isn't it, Nitro? It's okay, Nitro. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. We just cut your hair. We just cut your hair. It's okay. Daddy's here. Daddy's here. It's okay. It's alright, buddy. Nitro, why did you cry?
What?
Why did you cry?
Jesus cut my face.
Scissors cut your face. What? Scissors are monsters.
Sorry.
There you go, buddy. Good work.
Then where's your money? What? Where's your money?
Here's your money, Nitro.
Money?
Here's your money. Get it. There you go. Other one. This one too. Yeah, that's it.
Wow. Thank you, Nigel. There's your toys.
Wow. Yay.
Good morning.
Yeah. Welcome back to Spang's Wonder Vlog starring Baby Bo at you say
Bam Bam.
Bam Bam. No, you say Pabibe.
Papita.
Yeah! Ngayong araw, pupunta kami sa Ginsiaman. It's super malawak and we have motorbikes. We're gonna ride the motorbikes.
Yeah.
ATVs. Yeah.
Please buy the cell phone.
You wanna buy a cell phone?
I want a cell phone toy.
A cell phone toy. Hey Twatcher fam! Meron na kaming merch store. We have t-shirts, water bottles, caps with the Baby Nitro logo sitting on the gold play button with our Twanta logo. So go and check that out, guys. Link is in the description below. Today we are going to Ginsiaman. It's in San Miguel, right there. So we're going from Carigara to San Miguel. I think the trip is, I don't know, ilang minutes?
35 minutes.
35 minutes. Driving through the rice fields. Medyo malayo siya.
Pesos per head, oh.
Hello, Pasing. Mabisita lang kami.
Si Baby Nitro natutulog po.
Alright guys, nandito na kami sa Ginsiaman, the farm. So, yung una kong napansin is meron silang parang rainforest dito na maganda. You can go on a rainforest walk. Parang Australia to. Tahimik, tapos malandong. May tulay. Cross the tulay.
Yes, basta tulay. Bridge.
Ano? Sige. Basta
Basta
libre mo ako ng... Libre mo ako ng pizza, ha? Nitro! Here you are at the playground. Is it fun? You're the captain! You want to go down the slide? Oh no, don't go down that slide. Madumi.
But it's so scary.
Is it so scary?
It's the water.
Yeah, it's the water. Hey, Nitro, you kade.
No, I'm not Daddy.
You want Daddy to go down the slide, Nitro?
No, you going this way.
Yeah, Daddy will go down. Do you want to push Daddy?
I want to push Daddy.
Okay, let me sit down here and you push Daddy, okay? All right, Nitro's gonna push Daddy down the slide. You ready? Push Daddy. Nitro, push. Whoa! What's that, Nitro?
This pizza.
This pizza. Yeah, we're gonna have some pizza here. Yeah. Wow, ice cream. Sana all. Yummy ice cream? Ooh, yummy ice cream.
Do it.
Meron silang ATV adventure dito. I'm gonna check that out.
Hi, Gary Mark.
Hello. Oh, Nitro's running towards it. Want to ride on the ATV?
I want to ride the ATV.
Pwede bang bata sa ATV? Pwede? Wow.
No, you can ride it.
You can ride it. It's gonna be fun. Hey, pwede ka magot ay.
Welcome, baby. Size lang po.
Oh,
Look at
Nitro.
Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Robot. Going back to front. Alright, Nitro. We're gonna ride the red one, okay? We'll ride the red bike? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. What's that, Nitro?
It's gonna fall down.
She's gonna fall down?
Yes.
Oh no. Oh, Mommy. Oh, Mommy's going. Mommy's going, Nitro. Whoa. Wanna hold on?
Yes.
Let's go, Nitro. Whoa. Go nice and slow, okay? Here we go, buddy. Whoa. Let's go, Nitro. There's the monster, yeah.
Buddha.
Yeah, we made it back. Hey.
Made it back.
Yes, Daddy's helmet's yucky. It's very sweaty. Hey. Nitro, you want to say bye, guys?
Bye, guys.
Shut the door!
Hey, yo, check my flow.
Hey Dwantro fam, maraming salamat sa panonood. Now, before we end this video, gusto ko pong i-shoutout ang mga VIP Dwantro fam members natin. We have Maria Teresa, Diana Absalon Gonzalez, Junio A4, Juliet Oyama, Shelby Cruz, Miss Janet MKLV, Merlinda Enriquez Payne, Susan Isse, Melgar Fibercraft, Nora Sagurit, Alberto Poloy Apoy, Lian Regualos, and Juliet Alvarez. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Guys, if you want to become a VIP Dwantro Fam member, check out the link in the description below. You will get access to exclusive videos every month. Thanks for watching, guys. At kita-kits sa sunod na video ng Dwanta. Bye for now.